Hello and welcome to today's Wealthy Monday video. Today's video, I will be discussing proper nutrition and the benefits of eating certain foods. And during my 112-pound all-natural weight loss journey, I took the Michael approach to eating healthy. And what I mean by that, I did not go cold turkey. Going cold turkey means completely eliminating all bad foods simultaneously. And I tried that approach before. And as a result, I failed. So I did try to go cold turkey prior to my successful weight loss journey and I failed. Now, taking the Michael approach to weight loss and healthy living is the best approach and is healthy, safe, effective, as well as sustainable. Now, taking the Michael approach means slowly reducing or eliminating items or foods that are unhealthy, that are bad for you. And what I mean by that, we have to do an analysis when it comes to what we're consuming that's contributing to our unhealthy eating habits. And I do recommend taking a pen and drawing a straight line down a sheet on a notebook paper. And on the left side of that notebook paper, on the left side of that line, write down all of the food that you're currently consuming. And for me, what I did, I really did this. I had written down all the things that I was consuming, such as fried chicken, fried pork chop, all my fried foods, my French fries, my pop, my soda, my cookies, even white rice. And I literally listed down all the things that I was consuming within that particular week. And I was like, wow, okay, I've come up with some healthier options, some healthier alternatives. So what I did on the right side of that paper, I started coming with healthier options. So at that particular time, fried chicken was one of my favorite meals to eat. So what I did, I started to come up with healthier options. So instead of fried chicken, I reduced that to boneless, skinless chicken breast. And I wanted to take the Michael approach. So I did still eat fried chicken, but I wanted to reduce the amount of fried chicken at that particular time. Prior to me being successful at weight loss, I would at least eat fried chicken 3 to 5 times a week, at least minimally. So I wanted to reduce that to like two times a week. And in the interim, within that, I would eat healthier options such as boneless, skinless chicken breast, as well as I implemented lean ground turkey, also cauliflower rice, brown rice, even better oils because I wasn't eating the healthiest oils or better oils. So I started implementing extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. So I did a complete overhaul of my eating habits, and also within I just took the Michael approach and just wanted to live healthy and do better. So that's what I recommend. Writing down, it's a great depiction of what you're currently eating and ways to implement healthier options. And also, what I did at that particular time, I did drink a lot of pop and soda, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Sprite. I know some people prefer Coca-Cola over Pepsi or Pepsi over Coca-Cola. I liked them both. I liked them both back then. And what helped me have better options, I understood that drinking a lot of pop and soda is not good for you. It's a lot of sugar and a lot of unhealthy chemicals within pop and soda. But I wanted to be realistic and practical with the approach. And I knew I did consume a lot of pop and soda back then. So it's like, okay, I can't just go cold turkey on my pop and soda because I drank it every day. So what I did, I started to get zero calorie or zero calorie or zero sugar proper soda, and that helped me. That helped me with my healthy living. That helped me with my healthy choices. And I do recommend that because, as I indicated, pop and sodas, it's liquid calories. It's liquid calories. There's no health benefits at all drinking pop and soda because it's full of sugar. It's full of sugar as well as unhealthy chemicals, as I mentioned. So there's literally no health benefits to drinking pop and soda. So what helped me was going to zero calories, zero sugar. And also, I did implement drinking more water. So I do recommend drinking more water within your healthy lifestyle. And there's some great benefits to drinking more water, such as a natural detox. It's great for your skin. It's great for your skin. Helps clear up your skin. And this is a great way to live your overall quality of life. And also, it does help keep you hydrated. It keeps you hydrated. So those are some of the benefits of drinking water. So I started drinking more water throughout my day and throughout my weight loss journey. And I still drink a lot of water to this day. And I know that the recommendation is a gallon of water a day, which that makes sense. Now, for me, at that particular time when I was pursuing my weight loss journey, I wasn't drinking a lot of water. I would drink more pop and soda than water. So what I had to do, I had to be realistic and practical with my approach. So I started off with drinking a half a gallon of water each day, and I slowly increased my way up. I slowly increased my frequency, my amount of consumption of water to 1 gallon a day. So I currently drink a gallon of water a day, and I still drink it to this day. Also, then I work my way up to drinking a gallon of water a day. So that's another recommendation. Just start. If you're not able to drink a gallon of water a day, that's okay. Just start drinking much water as you can each day and slowly work your way up to drinking a gallon of water a day. And it comes to having or setting smart goals. Smart goals are they're specific, they're measurable, actionable, realistic, as well as time back. And that's what helped me on my journey, and that's what I'm here to help you with as well. And feel free to check out tashadetermined.io to check out the various meal plans that I do offer. These meal plans are quick, they're tasty, they're effective, as well as healthy. So feel free to check out, as I indicated, tashadetermined.io for my meal plan, purchase my meal plan. And also, I would like to just state too as well that I would love for you to become a member within my monthly prescription. I'm still going to be having a monthly membership, and it's going to be a great way to help you with accountability. It's going to be access to nutrition coaching, mindset coaching. I'm going to have cooking videos of me cooking healthy meals. It'll be very interactive membership, as well as going to be having financial literacy videos, and also I'm going to be doing live Zoom calls, live group Zoom calls, as well as personal one-on-one Zoom calls, live Zoom calls with people who sign up for the membership. Because I just want you to know that you're not alone. We are in this journey together. I know I know the struggle. I know the pain points. I know the trials and tribulations when it comes to weight loss, because I've been there, done it. I'm in your shoes, and I want to help people. I want to help people not just lose weight. I want to help people also keep it off for good, because I'm a walking, living testimony that once you lose weight, it's truly possible to keep it off. It starts with that mindset. That mindset is one of our most powerful assets that we do own. Two most powerful assets that we do own is, as I mentioned in various videos and various talks and conversations. First, being our time. Our time as well as our mind. So it's up to us how we utilize our time, and it's up to us how we utilize our mind. So just know that you're not alone. We're in it to win it. I'm here to help you get there. Feel free to sign up for my monthly membership. It's going to be a great way to help with accountability, and also just a great way to help you with your health, wellness, and fitness journey that can last the rest of your life. I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. Until the next video, everyone, take care. Talk to you soon.